get back on it. Gotta love the lights in the morning though, the way it hits the mountain, the contrast, the exposed parts and where there are shadows and stuff. It's nice. It was nicer when it was golden hour. Right now it's more or less morning. It's now the normal ugly light, but earlier it was golden light, it was beautiful light. So we passed the residential area. Let's drive a bit fast, not too fast, just a bit spirited. We still want to drive the speed limit, but let's go. This were the poles. That's why I'm slowing down. I was like, shit, yeah, this is the cops. Anyway, it's not a problem because we're driving the speed limit, so it's okay. Let's go. Empty roads. You know, it's strange, eh? I'm not seeing any cars today. Like, no cars, no bikes. It's so strange. Maybe I was a bit early today. Usually I would have seen a couple of nice cars and a whole lot of bikes. But today, I haven't seen any car. I only saw one Porsche when I was coming here earlier, and then I haven't seen anything. In terms of bikes, I haven't seen any bikes, but I think it might be too early. We'll see at our stop. We're gonna stop where the bikes always are, and they sell coffee, but I'm not gonna have coffee. But we'll see. Maybe I should get some coffee and then after that drive home. But yeah, today no nice cars out in the road. Also no traffic, which is good for us because we can drive. Yeah, the bikers. It's like I wanted to see if they could catch her. Happening. So here's our stop. I think they also coming here though. See? There's already a million of them. Alright gang, so that's it. I'm gonna end the video now, but I'm also gonna play you all some bike content. I know we're not bikers, but yeah, this is where I end my runs, and it's like a biker sport. So what they do, I think every Sunday, not sure about Saturday and midweek, but I know every Sunday morning they meet here and then they just have fun. That's why when I'm doing my runs, there's always a whole lot of bikers. So I'm gonna play some content, and then let me know in the comments if you wanna see more biker content. I mean, I'm not a biker, I can't even ride a bike, but I can shoot you all some. Just let me know. So yeah, there are some cars here. We have a nice Jag. They always sound nice, but we also have the Godzilla. Let me actually go to the other side because I'm shooting at the sun. But this is the long standing drag king is Godzilla. You know, you all know him. He dominated the drag strips for a long time, you know, for a long time. Still here, still faster than most. Yeah, and there was also an RS3, brown RS3. He just left. And an R8 and a Porsche earlier. They all left. And as for the 340, here it is, still here. Still here. And I see someone messed with it. They drew some faces. You know, I don't know why they're touching my car, but someone did. But yeah, the 340 is here. So yeah, gang, that's the video. Just let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Obviously, leave a like, it helps a lot, and subscribe. Join the community, obviously, duh. And let me know what type of videos you want to see. I'm gonna drive back home now, and then I'll check you all out in the next one. I saw you, Yes. saying.
It's a fast, eh?
And let me tell you, that's a cheap exhaust, bro.
Who's that guy?
That's a Dominator. He used to ride the cover.
Oh, good.
That exhaust is about 3-4 grand.
Dominator does it for full system and the exhaust.
They
does
do
it for
full
7.
systems too, yeah.
So they slip on only.
I think he's got a full system. Definitely they're gonna shut up.
Yo, why? It's not like it's your fault.
The only one in South Africa.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm here.
Yeah. Number 62.
And he managed to have one.
He's got the only one in South Africa.
How lucky are you, bro?
The only one in South
You must bet
Africa.
Lotto.
No, I was lucky. Oh, only one.
What V-Road is it? A V-Road?
No, it's a breakout.
Blackout.
Breakout.
It comes standard with these colors, no?
Yeah.